One of the most insightful findings we got in the PulsePoint Group research of chief communications officers in large companies was the ongoing process of chief communications officers and their teams playing a deeper and deeper role in helping business leaders make more informed decisions. It's a much more kind of strategy-driven role than it's been in the past. But we also kind of saw a flip side of that, and that is that there's often been and continues to be a considerable amount of criticism that the communications team below the chief communications officer is viewed as too tactical, very good at kind of what they do. So if they're doing analyst relations, employee communications, marketing support, speech writing, whatever it is, tactically often viewed as very, very good. But when the president of a business unit, for example, has a meeting on strategy, those communications people are really not at this proverbial table, if you will. The chief communications officer is viewed as the strategist and everybody else is a tactician. That we think is a problem, or again, maybe perhaps an opportunity to kind of upgrade the communications team that's involved with the business. And that doesn't mean hiring. One of the things that we found in looking at many companies is that senior communications leaders under the chief communications officer are frequently responsible for tactical implementation of stuff. So they may manage channels, they'll manage the company intranet or employee communications, they'll manage external marketing communications, and they'll manage stuff as opposed to play a lead role in being kind of a senior counselor to presidents of business units and so forth. And so one of the things that we're seeing really good companies do is kind of take a look at that, do a diagnostic of where their key people are spending their time, and trying to kind of delegate more stuff and making sure that those people who are direct reports to the chief communications officers actually kind of marry up to the heads of the business units and so forth and treat them as important clients and provide high-value senior counsel, and not let those senior communications people just get buried in managing stuff. It's a critical trend and we think also a critical opportunity.